Welcome to Product Critique, where we help you find the best products for your needs. Today, we're diving into the world of seafood dining with the best Crab Mallets and Tools set, the Ymkf Sqqr 26-piece Professional Seafood Tools Kit. If you love seafood or nuts, this kit has everything you need to enjoy your meal with ease and elegance. This 26-piece set is designed to make your seafood dining experience hassle-free and enjoyable. It includes 6 shellfish forks, 6 crab crackers, 6 food-grade plastic lobster shellers, 2 seafood scissors, and 6 lobster crab mallets. Whether you're cracking open crabs, lobster, or enjoying your favorite nuts, this set has it all covered. The heavy-duty die-cast zinc alloy and stainless steel construction ensure that these tools are built to last, perfect for both home use and restaurants. Let's start with the seafood scissors, a must-have tool in this kit. Made from 304 stainless steel and ABS plastic, these scissors are not only sharp but designed to make cutting through tough shells effortless. They're also versatile enough for kitchen use, helping you prepare ingredients with ease. Next, we have the lobster crab mallets, made from high-quality natural wood. These mallets are the perfect size and weight to crack open even the hardest shells without damaging the succulent meat inside. With their smooth, lacquer-free finish, they're durable and built to last. The crab crackers are made from zinc alloy, featuring a durable hinge and jagged teeth that give you the power to crush lobster and crab shells with ease. With 3 different diameter sizes, you can tackle various shellfish with no problem. And let's not forget the stainless steel crab leg forks. These food-grade forks have a unique design with a spoon end for scooping and a fork end for picking claw meat. The non-slip handle ensures easy access to those hard-to-reach spots, making sure you don't waste any delicious meat. The Ymkf Sqqr 26-piece Seafood Tools Kit is not just a set of tools, it's a complete seafood dining experience. Whether you're hosting a family dinner or a large seafood feast, these tools are sure to impress. The aesthetic look, combined with their practicality, makes this set a perfect gift for any seafood lover. Plus, they're easy to clean, so you won't have to worry about spending too much time washing up after your meal. In conclusion, the Ymkf Sqqr 26-piece Professional Seafood Tools Kit offers everything you need to enjoy your seafood and nut feasts in style. With durable, high-quality materials and a well-thought-out design, this kit ensures that you can enjoy your meals with ease, without sacrificing any of the flavors. If you're looking to elevate your dining experience, this is the perfect set for you. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and don't forget to subscribe for more great product reviews.